The big talking point today is the Reserve Bank of India and what they will do. Latha is here with the editor's take on what markets are watching and waiting for. Latha, over to you. Morning.
Well, first up, what the market wants, the bond markets, they don't necessarily want a cut, but they do want an RBI that sounds dovish. In the very least, a dovish pause. So there's an expectation of a cut. Now, the challenge for Reserve Bank will be, how do you communicate dovishness when you willy-nilly have to raise the growth forecast? You know, their growth forecast is 6.5. The first quarter came in at 7.8. If you average it out, at least 6.7, they will have to say. It's very difficult to communicate both. I'm raising the growth forecast, but growth needs help. What will the market watch out for? They will watch out for the CPI numbers. The RBI CPI for the current year average stands at 3.1. The street is standing at 2.5. Likewise, year-ahead CPI for the RBI, that is, June quarter CPI stands at 4.9. That's their forecast. But that's pre-GST, pre the undershooting of food inflation. So how much do they bring it down? Do they bring it down to 4? Then there is a hope that there is dovishness that's coming. But I think the market will be more happy if the growth language is tweaked in such a way that if growth needs help, we stand prepared. That's what the market wants. Of course, the bond markets also want some mention of the word OMO, which I find very difficult because the CRR cut has poured in, or will eventually put in over 1 lakh crore into the market. And OMO language is difficult, but that will, of course, make the market very happy. Everyone in the market are expecting a cut, but not necessarily today. Maybe later.
Maybe a dovish pause.
Yeah. What are you going with, Latha?
I'm going with a cut.
A cut.
I'm going with a cut now and a dovish cut. Dovish cut for another cut. I think between August and now, things have drastically changed. I mean, it's H1B and tariff and a fear that more can come. Yeah. Every day there is either a furniture or a pharmaceutical or
movies.
Movies thrown at you. Who is to say that, things... The market, the sentiment of in India Inc. is at such a low ebb to hire even one more person.
Yeah, absolutely.
So maybe it'll help.
And I go with the governor in-house.
Governor.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And I think it's a close call. And as Latha said, it's a dovish pause or it's a cut and a dovish cut at that. We'll wait and watch. 10 o'clock is when the decision will come, Latha. We'll leave you to it. We'll take